Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Post Show Pro plugin video tutorial series. Today I am going to show you how to translate Smart Post Show Pro in different languages using Wpml plugin. Of course, this video is only for those who are using a multilingual website. A multilingual website has content in more than one language, so whatever plugin or content you are using, you must need to translate them into different languages. In that case, if you are using Smart Post Show Pro plugin, you need to translate Smart Post Show Pro shortcodes and strings in different languages. Today I am going to show you how you can do that. I have already installed and activated the Wpml plugin. Then set up Wpml, selecting your preferable languages for your site. By default, every WordPress site language is set to English, United States. As you are creating a multilingual site, you must need to translate WordPress contents like post, products, media and other text into different languages. Let me show you how you can translate a post. Go to all post and you can see I have already translated a few. Let's translate another one. Click on the plus icon to translate this post into Polish language. Using the Google Translator, let's translate the title of the post. Do the same for the content. Now publish the post and the post is translated into Polish language. Following the same process, you can translate the post into Spanish language as well. Click on the plus icon and translate the title into Spanish language using the Google Translator. Copy the title from here and paste it here. Insert the content and publish the post. So the post is translated into Spanish and Polish language. Similarly, you can translate your media, products and other text using the Wpml plugin. Go to the Smart Post Show Pro and click Add New to create a new show and give it a title. Make sure that you are in English language, so if you are not, then click on the English language first. Okay, now I'm in English language. Let's give it a title first. I have given it a title like Test Show In because now I'm in English language, as you can see it here. Configure your show as you like using the configuration tabs. I'm leaving it as it is. Now publish the show and the shortcode is published. Now let's translate it into Polish and Spanish language. Click on the plus icon and you can see everything is same as it is. Publish the shortcode for Polish language and finally the Spanish language. Okay, the shortcode has been translated into 3 different languages. If I go to manage shows and click on the English, then you can see the Test Show In has been translated into both Polish and Spanish language. You can see them here as well. Now I will create a page and translate it into Polish and Spanish language and insert the shortcode to the correspondent page, like English shortcode to the English page, Spanish shortcode to the Spanish page. Let's create a new page. And this is now in English language. You can see it here. So let's name it as EN page for your better understanding. And insert the EN shortcode here. Go to the manage shows and copy the shortcode for EN page and insert it here. Now publish the page and view it. You can see only English posts are showing here because now I'm in English language. Now let's translate the page into different languages. Click on edit page and translate it into Polish language and insert the shortcode created for Polish language. Go to the manage shows and click on Polish language and copy the shortcode from here and insert it here. Now if I publish the page and view it, you can see the Polish language posts are showing here only. Edit the page and translate it into Spanish language. Insert the shortcode created for Spanish page. Go to Spanish and copy the shortcode ID from here and insert it here. Now publish the page and view it. Okay, and you can see only the Spanish posts are showing on the Spanish language page, which is absolutely fine. Now if I use the language switcher, you can see when I click on English, only English posts are showing. When I click on Polski, then only the Polish post will be shown, like this. This is how you can translate Smart Post Show Pro shortcode into different language. Now you may want to translate admin panel text like Smart Post Show plugin name, manage shows, add new, settings, replace layout and etc. To do that, go to the Wpml and navigate to Theme and Plugin Localization. Scroll down to the plugin section and select Smart Post Show Pro and click on the Scan selected plugin for strings. Wpml automatically scan all the string for the plugin. Then go to Strings Translation and search for the string that you want to translate. Suppose you want to translate this manage shows text. So what you have to do is click search for manage shows. Here you go, text has been found. Now I'm going to translate it into different languages. Okay, so I have already translated it into Polish and Spanish language. As you can see, I have inserted the values here. Otherwise, there will be plus icon and I will click on the plus icon and then I will translate it according to the language. So in your case, you need to translate it clicking on the plus icon. I have already translated it. Now let's see if my translation works or not. To check it, I may need to change the site language. Go to the settings menu. And here you can see it is showing when Wpml is activated, the site language should be changed in the Wpml site language section. So click on it and here is the section. Let's change the default language to Polish and save it. Now let's reload the page. Okay, you can see my translation works. I have translated the Smart Post Show Pro plugin name and the manage shows string, and they both has been changed when the site language has been changed into Polish. Now if I change it to Spanish and save the changes and refresh the page, then you can see manage shows string has been changed into Spanish language as I set it here. Okay, so let's get back to the English language. Reload the page. Okay, so now I'm in English language again. Now you may wonder, is it possible to translate the load more pagination text, read more and no more post available? Yes, you can translate those as well. Go to manage shows. Suppose I am going to open this post show and go to the display options, and here is the read more text, and set the grid layout to see the paginations. And this is the load more and no more post available text. So read more, load more and no more post available text can be translated during the translation of the shortcode, since the fields are open to write anything. As you can see it here, I can write anything here. So you can set the translation as you like. This is how you can translate Smart Post Show Pro A to Z with the Wpml plugin. I hope you have got a clear idea about it. In the next video, I'll come up with another attractive feature of the plugin. Until then, take care.